Lately I've taken to baking bread in a gas-fired grill on hot summer days, and it works pretty much the same as a stove. The difference is I use a heavy pizza stone as the base, and I use my La Cloche top on top of it. And I find that the baking times run pretty much the same as the oven, so I'm going to try this for 30 minutes and then take the lid off and bake for 15 more as I usually do. We'll see how it goes. Then after 30 minutes I'm going to take the lid off and let it bake for another 15 or so. The trick to using a gas grill for baking bread is that you do have to experiment a little bit to get the heat setting right. And it's kind of a guessing game, and that's why I do rely a lot on an instant read thermometer, because as long as the temperature is a good 200, 205 degrees inside, I know the bread is done baking. Okay, so glancing at the bread, it looked like it was getting done after about 35 or 40 minutes, not 45. So I think I'm just going to go ahead and measure the temperature inside and see if it's done. Okay, so the bread's at 206 and a half, 207 degrees, so it's definitely done. So I'm taking it out early. Actually, it's not early, it's on time. It's just sooner than I expected. It's really done perfectly, I think. And we'll let it cool and see what it looks like inside in about an hour or so. And now I'm going to put some pizza on while the oven's hot. So I'm going to change the settings to get the stone as hot as it'll go, and go get the pizza ready. Okay, so here's the bread I barbecued earlier this afternoon. And looks fine. This, by the way, is the steel cut oats recipe that I have on the website. Only this is kind of a variation of it. It's not really the no knead, although I didn't really need it much. But you can see, maybe you can see, that it turned out fine. In fact, it looks quite good, actually. So you can bake bread in your barbecue grill. Isn't that nice? And this is only about my 4th attempt. But only one of them was a disaster. All the other loaves were either fine or very good. So there you have it.